Okay, hi little misses and misters. Today we're back at another Animal Crossing episode. Today we're going to be, I'm going to be paying off my loan today so I can actually get a house instead of the silly old tent. And if you see some furniture lying about, it's because I've been off camera for a little while, and I've been doing some stuff like crafting, not that exciting, so you haven't missed anything out, don't worry. Ba, ba, ba. I know all about this. There we go. This is more exciting. Yes, I know about this. I know about I want 101 service. Beep 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 ba ba da boop boop boop. Come on. Oh, okay. Huh? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool resident. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway. Okay. Wait. What? But okay. Something weird's going on. I swear I put a fishing rod there. No, I put a fishing rod here. I put a tiki torch here. Okay, this is starting to creep me out. What is going on? What just happened? Okay, this is starting to be creepy. I don't know why. Okay, I'll go fix it in a bit. Mum gave me something. Throw it away. Don't. Oh. Ow, ow. There. What does she give me? Pears? Oh, nice, I guess. Oh, hi, Tommy. Wait, is that Timmy or Tommy? I can't remember. They look identical. Oh yeah. I literally just forgot what we're about to do. Okay. Oh, I've already got some new Nook Miles. Cool. Oh wait, I didn't. Life on this island has lots of promise. To illustrate this, I'll award you with some Nook Miles based on the number of active days you spent here. Please take them and enjoy them. Learning how to custom design outfit lets you personalize your clothes and furniture. So much fun to be had. Yes, yes. Was that one about you can only now say some number of seashells you sell. That's not easy to say. And remember, you'll get blah blah. Talk to all my neighbors once a day. That'll be easy. There's Coach. Wait, is it Coach? Can't remember. Ew! I swear, what is going on here? I am literally scared. I am scared right now. Please help me. Okay, talk to one villager. Now I need to go to Cherry. She was down by the beach. Oh, there she is. Let's chat. Okay, there we go. no. How didn't I get Miles? Why didn't I get Miles? Sorry about that. Do I need to talk to him as well? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Nico, it's good to see you. How are you enjoying life? You know, shaking trees or cutting them again, and sometimes knock loose a wasp's nest. Be careful, your face might get all puffy if you get stung while tangling with angry wasps. I've even heard of puffy-faced folks getting re-stung and then fainting, so don't press your luck. Why aren't I getting Miles? Island togetherness. One of the goals in Nook Island Sea is resident togetherness. Our gracious greetings and narrative aims to reward you with Nook Miles for chatting with residents. Try to talk to all your neighbours every day. Do I need to talk to him and the other raccoon? Can't remember if it's Timmy and Tommy. See you later. I can't. What should I do? I'm bored. Okay. It really wants me to get some bugs and stuff, so I guess I'll have to for him. I mean, I can get Nook Miles for it as well, I think. And I want to do this quickly because I might be able to do something. Perhaps I'm going to make a fishing rod by getting some tree branches. That number 4 and number 5. Whee! Okay, we can go in here now. Wow, it's already been 7 minutes. See, I was shaking trees and then I got this kettle, which is cool. Oh, this is life when you don't have the buttons with you. I hate this so much. Okay, grab my radio. No! No! Get my radio, put it forward. Okay, let me just move my furniture around. Finally! Okay, wait, no. There we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna pick this up. Yeah, I'm just gonna move this outside so it'll be easier to get to. There we go. That should be a whole lot easier. I think I'm gonna move this campfire a bit. Oh, oh, oh. Why do I keep doing that? Stop it! There we go. Now I want to move the crafting table right here. Huh. There we go. No. Not right now. Okay. Now, finally, I can get to fishing. There we go. Oh wait, new bug. I haven't caught it yet. No. Ugh. You're so obsessed with using this thing. Okay, fine. Lolly. Why did I say what? I don't understand. Why am I saying all this weird stuff? Ooh. Oh. Ooh. I was so scared for a minute there. Okay, pond smelt. I already got one of those when I was off camera. Okay, I'm just gonna have to. Oh, here. Maybe let's do it at an angle that I can actually see the fish. Oh my gosh! Come on! Too far away to see. Gonna have to throw it a little closer. Ah! Why did I do that? What about precision? Oh, there's one. That's a whopper. It's not really a whopper, it's quite tiny actually. Where? No! How is this already 13 minutes long? Oh. I hate this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Sea bass. Know it. Okay. Thank you, Celeste. Oh, come on. Oh, I always do it too early or late. I hate this! Fishing is actually one of my least favorite things. I hate it. Oh, yay! Aw. A mini. Mini. Stand back a bit. Finally! There we go, something new finally. Horse mackerel. Okay, now I can go and return these to Tom Nook. Tom Nook, I have something exciting for you. And this video is already 15 minutes long. Hi Tom Nook. I found creature. Well, creatures. Well, actually lots of creatures. Yes. The samples I gave you before. Flowers will grow. That will grow will be very strong. They'll spring up even if you just plant them and forget them. But if you water them each day, that's where the magic happens. Watering opens up possibility of blah, 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 blah. How might you water them, you ask? Well, I've just sent you the DIY recipe for a watering can. Yes, I do have new creatures for you. Of course. It's cooling. Baz, is that you? Oh, what's Ben the thing? Yes, do you remember the venture we discussed? Well, it's come to blah blah blah. I'm currently stationed on an island that we've decided to call Tree Isle. Yes, the local fauna are abundant to meet each blah blah. I need more creatures. Oh wait. Yep, see? Do 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 do. Come on, quick. Click Millicent. Go, go, go. Need to find a nice place for a nice museum. I think right here is nice. Right here. Here we go, it's going to be right by the villagers' homes so they can go and easily see it. Okay, oh yay, Nook Miles. Yay, Nook Miles. DIY tools. Okay. Oh. Exterior decorator. Thank you. Also, I only got 5,000. And I can finally end this video. It's really 19. Stop. Okay. Now. What did I get in this bottle? I'm interested. The mysterious stranger. Here's some blah blah blah. Oh yeah, mirror. Cool. Okay. So now I forgot. How do you make one of these? 5 tree branches and 5 pieces of wood. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. There we go. Yep, that's 5. Need one more piece of wood. Please don't break. No, why did I do that? Well, at least now I have an extra piece of wood. Let's go. Craft. Make one of these. So last time I made this my little fishing area. So I put my fishing rod right here. Oh, need to bring it backwards a bit. Now, then right here I put a tiki torch. I just say it like that. Why do I say it like that? There we go. That looks nice. Now I got some more Nook Miles. Yay. Oh, so nearly got 50. I mean 5,000. This is annoying. I really need to pay off my fee. Okay. Okay, what else can I get Nook Miles for? Why did I do that? I know how to fish is essential skill. You get 20. You'll get Nook Miles based on the amount of fruit you sold. Remember, if you sell online specialty fruits online, you might be able to get those fresh. Okay, let me just shake a bunch of trees with cherries on. Fruit trees, shaky, shaky. Okay. Why can't I find any cherry trees? Finally! Thank you very much. Okay. More cherries, hooray. Now let me go and sell these. And hopefully I'll then get lots of Nook Miles tickets. Nook Miles tickets, Nook Miles, so I can finally pay off my loan. Because this video is already 24 minutes long. Oh. Yes, I did. I want to sell nice bunches of fruit. So when you eat from food like fruit, you'll find yes, I know that. but said where is it? So on specialty fruits on the other end. Oh, I need to sell more fruit. I need to sell 20 pieces of fruit. I need to sell more fruit. Fruits. More fruits. Need more fruits. Stop saying it like that. Why can't I find any cherries? It's really annoying. Why can't I find any cherries? I think this might be the only time I actually need cherries, but give me all the cherries. Right, now I'm gonna have to find another thing to do. We've got bad luck on mouse for catching every creeper. No. DIY furniture is a win-win, blah 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 blah. Craft your own furniture, win. Enjoy your handiwork. 50! No. Cast your line carefully if you want to reel in this reward. You'll need to nab a bunch of fish in a row without getting a way to earn these miles. What? More furniture in your house. Put more furniture in my house. I can put more furniture in my house, alright. I'm gonna put all the furniture in my house I can, then I'm just gonna take it all out. I can put a mirror in here. Oh wait, no, I have to make it, of course. I literally forgot I have to make it. I need to make a mirror. How? How do I make a mirror again? So 4 pieces of wood and 1 iron nugget. Okay. Keep my handy axe. Probably gonna run out any moment now, so I'm probably gonna have to make a new one. There we go. Told you. Yeah, thank you for your service. Oh, yay! What did I get this for? Oh, I'm so nearly there. Okay. Take some trees. Ha ha ha. Can't get me this time. Wasps tried to get me. Nasty wasps. Okay, back to work. This is a friendly tree. Thank you very much, tree. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your services. Now I can craft another axe. There we go. Empty axe. Now I can... That's not what I wanted. Are you kidding me? I just want some normal woods. Thank you. Thank you. Not thank you. Just need one more piece of wood and I'm done. Finally. Now I just need to... Oh great. Oh wait a minute. Yes! Centipede. Got a centipede there. Oh. I just want an iron nugget. Is that so much to ask? It must be. Is this literally so much to ask? Oh wait! Oh wait, no, that was the same rock from earlier. I just want a iron nugget. Oh, picnic basket looks cute. I'll buy it. No. Ignore it. There's not a nugget in there, please. No! Oh wait, yes! Please. Please. Oh. Oh, I'm so close. Oh! I know what to do. Oh, run outside quick. I need to draw stuff on my bulletin board. I can't. Wait, why did I do that? Why did I do that? I can't. Believe. Bell. Eve. I can't believe I restarted done. Yes! Woohoo! 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 Have a Nook Miles now! Tom Nook, Tom Nook, Tom Nook! Tom Nook, Tom Nook! This video is so long! Get used to it, okay? Because I'm only 8! About my moving fees. Yes. I'm ready to pay. Thank you so much. Yes. Well, that wasn't actually a rhetorical question. Let me be more specific. How is that tent treating you? Terrible. Could be better. I'm so sorry to hear that. But no one ever said that developing an island paradise would be easy. Blah, blah, blah. If you're interested in a new home, do come and see me. There we go. More Nook Miles, hooray. Hooray. Got my home. Let's give you more space. Yes. Our sweet home. Let's do it. 8 different colours for the roof. Pick a different colour. I think green. Yep, green. Let me do program. There we go, I've got this program. So now it'll be way easier. Yep. Now let me collect my 50 Nook Miles and I'm ready to go. As in like end video. And well, that's the end of the video. I managed to get all the Nook Miles and pay my moving fees, and this is the end. So bye.